Welcome to Tips and Tricks, new episode from Africell. Today, we're going to see how to prevent data loss and restore information if needed by using a backup techniques. So, let's dive in. Cloud backup is very common. You can use Google Drive for Android and iCloud for iOS device to backup contacts, photos, calendars, and apps. Third-party apps are available for more backup options. Local backup can be an option. You can use external hard drive, USB sticks, and SD data cards to manually backup your data. Computer backup is an option too. Simply connect your phone using a dedicated USB cable and transfer your files. Some apps have built-in backup features like WhatsApp. It uses Google Drive to backup chats and content. Internal videos and photos can back up into your Google Drive too. You can automate your backup routine by using third-party apps and always make sure that your backups are encrypted to protect sensitive data. By following these tips and tricks, you can ensure that your mobile data is backed up efficiently and securely, minimizing the risk of data loss. See you in the next episode.